At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 17, 2023, 5 investors betting big on GameStop stock in second quarter. Cohen's venture firm currently holds 36.84 million shares of GME stock. GameStop stock is still struggling and investors are losing faith. The original meme stock has fallen out of favor with some institutional investors. Executive Chairman Ryan Cohen remains the top shareholder of GME stock. 2 quarters into the year, GameStop, NYSE, GME, stock is still disappointing investors. The original meme stock has a loyal following, but it just can't seem to catch fire lately. For the past 6 months, shares have failed to garner any serious momentum and have only risen superficially. While GME stock remains in the green year to date, its current trajectory suggests that it won't stay there for long. Many investors are probably coming to terms with the fact that the iconic GameStop squeeze of 2021 likely won't repeat. At its core, GameStop is a retailer with an outdated business model. Investor Place contributor Jeremy Flint recently urged investors to sell shares before GME stock falls even further. The company hasn't turned a profit since 2018. Although Executive Chair Ryan Cohen came to the company with some admittedly admirable plans to turn the firm around, economic conditions simply won't allow for a reversal in the short term. As a consumer discretionary stock, GameStop's core products are the first cuts when households clamp down on spending. And, even for hardcore gaming adherents, there are too many alternative options. Flint isn't the only one who sees GME as an unstable meme stock no one should touch. Investor Place's Louis Nivelier has made a similar case against GameStop. GME stock gets a D rating in Nivelier's portfolio grader, as does fellow unstable meme stock AMC. As it turns out, institutional investors aren't too optimistic about GameStop's prospects, either. Who is still betting on GME stock? Given how poorly the company has performed, it's unsurprising that hedge funds are cutting back on their GME stock positions or ditching them entirely. Data from Whale Wisdom suggests that institutional sentiment toward GameStop is declining. Both the number of funds holding GME stock and the number of 13F shares are down for the second quarter, as is percentage ownership. While new positions are up 13% compared to first quarter, the number of increased positions has fallen by 15%. Meanwhile, closed positions have risen more than 40% since first quarter. With that in mind, let's take a look at the top investors still maintaining positions in GME stock. 1. RC Ventures, 36.84 million shares. Ryan Cohen's firm is still the company's top shareholder, adding 443,842 shares in second quarter. 2. Vanguard, 24.93 million shares. Vanguard sold 130,124 shares during second quarter. 3. BlackRock, 21.68 million shares. BlackRock offloaded 441,089 shares of GME stock during second quarter. 4. State Street Corporation, 7.45 million shares. State Street sold 115,148 shares during second quarter. 5. Geode Capital Management, 3.77 million shares. Geode added 157,131 shares during second quarter. Thanks for watching.